HCL's vision for Munich Re's workplace is to provide a globally harmonized digital workplace, delivering superior user experience through a combination of personalization, proactiveness, and self-sufficiency, with the ability to evolve with Munich Re's changing needs. Let's explore some use cases on how this vision can become a reality. Use Case 1. Service Desk Engineer resolves an end-user issue using Workplace. James, Anna, Kartik are HCL Service Desk Engineers from Cary, Poland, and India. Andy is Munich Re Field Engineer based out of US. Scene 1. Andy reaches out to the service desk using a local toll-free number. The call lands to James in Cary, USA. Similarly, for EMEA and APAC users, the call will land to Anna in Poland and Kartik in India, respectively. As soon as the call lands, a CTI pop-up appears, and James is able to view the information of Andy along with the details of the devices he owns. James also checks on Workplace for the health of the user device. Workplace lets James identify the issue that Andy's Outlook mails are not syncing in. He finds out that there has been an update in Windows 10, which needs a restart to be completed, and suggests Andy to restart his PC and check again. While James is resolving this issue, he finds out that similar issue might be faced by other users, which might result in mail syncing issues in Outlook. He quickly checks the resolution and pushes a notification to set of users where Workplace identified the same issue to restart their laptops as well, to avoid any last-minute problems. After Andy restarts the computer, James sends an email to him to check if the mails have started syncing on the Outlook app. He waits for Andy's confirmation if the issue has been resolved to his satisfaction, and only then disconnects the call. Benefit: user experience improves as he gets his query resolved in the first call itself, and number of support tickets are also reduced with proactive monitoring. Business outcome: solutions for end users are tailored to their work profiles, context, and business needs. End users will have higher productivity as business disruptions are minimized through proactive monitoring, diagnosis, and remediation, leading to an unparalleled user experience and better business outcomes for Munich Re. Use Case 2. Client manager gets her issue resolved by visiting on-site support engineer at the tech bar. Hans is the HCL on-site support engineer at Munich Re's office. Erica is Munich Re client manager based out of Munich, and Gert is Erica's manager. Scene 2. Erica faces a failure where she is not able to turn on her laptop. She reaches out to Hans at Tech Bar to get the laptop fixed. Upon receiving the request, Hans logs a ticket and starts analyzing the possible cause. He finds out that the issue is due to the laptop overheating caused by a faulty battery. He quickly checks the spare parts inventory, where a replacement is available. Luckily, there is a replacement battery available, but Hans needs extra approval from Erica's cost center and raises an approval request on the ServiceNow ITSM portal. In minutes, Erica's manager Gert receives a link for approval in a mail link generated by ServiceNow, and he approves it in the ITSM portal. Hans replaces the battery and the laptop starts working again. In real time, he can view the available inventory stock and allocate a replacement to the end user, while simultaneously asking for additional approval using the same portal within minutes. In case the inventory goes below a certain threshold, Hans is also able to raise a flag to management about the additional quantities that need to be purchased. While waiting to get the laptop problem fixed, Erica realizes that even her mouse had not been working properly since a few days. After getting the laptop fixed, she goes to the IT vending machine and scans her company ID card. Since the approval for getting a new mouse is already automated for her profile, she faces no problem whatsoever and gets a new mouse immediately. Business outcome: user is supported by an empathetic, knowledgeable, and user-aware on-site support engineer who provides quick and effective resolution to the user. HCL also envisions an easier process for requesting and procuring hardware peripherals for Munich Re users, who will have an option to get the required peripheral in minutes. The users, having received satisfactory resolution to their issues and exemplary experience at the tech bar, shall walk back to their desks as delighted next-gen users. Use Case 3. A knowledge worker based out of Munich named Frank gets his issue resolved by using chatbot and self-help solution. Scene 3. Frank visits US for a meeting and needs to get a last-minute printout. Unfortunately, the local printer is not configured on his laptop, and he puts in his query regarding installing the printer with the ServiceNow virtual agent. The chatbot suggests the user to go through the link of ServiceNow self-help article. This guides him to an Optibot self-healing process that is step-by-step guidance to install the local printer in no time. Frank runs a script on Optibot and the issue gets resolved. He gets a notification that the nearest printer is installed and he is able to take the printouts. Due to his overall profile, which requires him to visit multiple locations, he has been pre-approved to get immediate access to the local admin facilities. Management did not have to approve the printer access request, and time and IT energy is saved due to pre-approved rights as per his profile. Furthermore, user profiling empowers you to have multiple devices tailored to a user, whereby the problems of performance, application, compatibility, and speed can be minimized, and productivity is maximized. An Optibot solution can prevent calls to a service desk and maximize productivity, both for the end user and the service desk. Business outcome. User is supported by chatbot, self-help articles, and Optibot scripts, which enables users to resolve issues with just a few clicks, improving user experience and productivity. HCL is committed to high-quality performance and stability, standardization and automation of the services, transparent cost structure and year-on-year cost reductions, excellent customer satisfaction. HCL envisions to be a flexible partner who will jointly work with Munich Re to achieve their vision.